Hello folks, QuickKin42 here with yet another kinesiology video. Big surprise. So for today's vocabulary lesson, we're going to be going over proximal and distal. I'll have the words up on the next slide. So proximal and distal refers to how close or how far something is, again, from the body. But in this case, I've seen a lot of this word used specifically on individual bones. So proximal being closer to the body itself, closer to kind of this area up here. And then distal, of course, being farther away. So in context of specific body parts, so here we have the right femur, an anterior view of the right femur. And so here is the head and neck of the femur that would go into the acetabulum of the pelvic area. And then here we have the distal head of the femur down here. Now, just a quick little, application of how you would kind of use this in a real world setting. Let's say that you were a personal trainer and you were working with a doctor, and the two of you had a patient. You were helping them exercise, but then something happened to their leg and they went to see the doctor, and now you're talking to the doctor. Let's say the doctor said, okay, well, the client has a fracture on the distal head of their right femur. Well, since you watched this video, you know that the distal head of that femur is right in here. So without having to look or palpate or get an x-ray, you know just from the vocabulary that that fracture is going to be down here. Now, if they said that they have a fracture in the proximal head or proximal area of the femur, you know that's going to be up here. So that's just kind of a real, like a quick example of a real world application of this word. So I think that does it for proximal and distal. Thank you all for watching. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or corrections, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.